My land investing business explained in 5 minutes. What's going on, guys? My name is Sumner, Healey, and I run a business called thelandpioneer.com. In the last 18 months, we've done over $2.2 million in raw land sales, and I make these videos to document my journey and hopefully help others along the way. I know we've got a lot of people that are new to the channel and they're new to land investing, so we're going to zoom out, give you a bird's eye view on how exactly my land investing business works and how land investing works as a whole. Now, clock's ticking, so I'm not going to waste your time. Let's jump into it. It all starts with sniffing out the demand for the land. Look, land is an incredibly liquid asset. There's so many markets in the US. There's a little over 3,000 counties out there, and there's a lot of places where you wouldn't want to bother marketing and trying to acquire land. We use tools like Redfin, Zillow, Lands of America, LandWatch, Land and Farm to go figure out where our property is selling, and then next we go aggregate a list of ownership data for that area. Ownership data is all publicly available, and there's third-party data providers, or you can go directly to the county to go get that ownership data, and that's going to include their name, their mailing address, parcel number, legal description, and acreage. That way we know what property they own and who they are, so we can build out some custom marketing to reach them. And that brings us to point number 3. Now we've got to go select a marketing channel and begin marketing to the owners. Now in our business, we mainly do direct mail, and we'll throw in some additional techniques as well, mainly in the realm of texting. But you could utilize direct mail, you could do cold emails, you could do cold calling, you could do cold texting, you could do ringless voicemails. Really, the world is your oyster in terms of how you want to reach these sellers. Our typical approach is utilizing what's called a blind offer. That means on our first touch with a prospect, we are giving them a solidified offer price. So it's saying, hey, Mr. Smith, I'll offer you $40,000 for your property. We'll cover closing costs. Let's do a deal. And some of them do. This is really a numbers game. Some people are going to love the fact that you're being clear, concise, and this is your offer. And other people are going to say, well, I want to get full retail value. Well, those are the people that are not a good fit for what we do, and that's why you've got to market at scale. For us, it takes us about 2,000 to 2,500 letters before we actually get a deal that meets our standards. Next, you got to close the property. You can run it through a title company. You can self-close the property. I know a lot of people are always shocked when they find out you can self-close a property without a title company. You sure can, but for us these days, pretty much everything we do goes through a title company. Now, once a property is closing, we go and pre-list that property. So we're going to go syndicate on every listing platform, but we'll hold off on the MLS. We will only post the property on the MLS once it's actually closed and title has transferred into our name. The reason we pre-list the property is ideally what we want to have happen is someone reaches out and says, I want to buy that property. We say, great, it's a pre-listing, but the second it closes, we'll take it to title and you can buy it. And that way our capital is only out in the deal for a matter of a day, a week, 2 weeks. The more we can shorten that timeline and have a higher velocity of money, the better situation we're going to be in. Now, once the property closes, we're going to list on the MLS. We always list our properties at a discount on all platforms. We buy at a discount, we list at a discount. As I mentioned before, land is a very liquid asset, so to get it to move, we've got to price it right. Now, we'll typically list anywhere between 70, 80, 90% of market value. It just depends on the market we're working in and how much demand there really is. Now, once we sell at a discount, we collect our cash. We're going to send it to a title company. They'll do the closing. We'll collect our cash, and we do it all over again. Now, doing one of these deals is awesome, but doing 10, 20, 30, 40 of them a month is how you build a wildly profitable land investing business. And that's really my business in a nutshell. We just do this at scale, and we do a whole heck of a lot of them, and that's our business. Hope you guys liked this video. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. I respond to every comment. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. That would make me really happy. And if you want more free land investing content, be sure to subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Out.